Hi everyone, in this video I am going to be making my own version of the iconic I Am Kenough sweater from the Barbie movie. So I have this blue and white tie-dye sweater that I thrifted, and I wanted to add some more color to it, so I watered down some light pink acrylic paint, and then I just started to splatter that in various configurations over the sweater to try to mimic the tie-dye design. I also took some slightly darker watered down acrylic paint and I put that in a spray bottle and started spritzing that over the pink portions of the sweater to give a little bit of the color variation that's similar to how normal tie-dye would be. Since I obviously was not using a regular tie-dye technique, I wanted to do as much as I could to kind of mimic that tie-dye look, and I think the spray really helped with that. Alright, time for the letters. So I used this iron-on transfer paper from Jolie's Boutique. I got this at Joann's, and you just print the design onto the paper following the instructions. And then from there, I went ahead and cut out the letters of the design. I just removed the backing and followed the instructions for ironing, and voila, we got the design. So my printer was a little bit faulty and it didn't fully print out the letters correctly, so I went over those patchy spots with some black fabric paint just to make sure that all of the letters were fully darkened. For the final step, I took some very light pink acrylic paint and filled in the K, just like his sweatshirt has. And with that, the sweater is fully complete. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and to this video for more creative content, more Barbie DIYs coming soon. And remember, you are Kenough. Thanks so much for watching.